Right now, no, na Jantuah aba confess. We tell mu say free SHS policy na. Akufo-Addo government edibaye no. One of the best policies to ever happen in Ghana history. Policy abaye say abo man na nyansa wo mu. Na Jantuah tell mu say ye reti a ye de ma free SHS no. Na we can adwen so no akere this current education minister, Honorable Haruna Idrisu. Tell say ono no. Man dey say Mahama betima say sande kra. Enka emvaso so I Penyah block me that best was any demo other like a video no that my bros club and some click benefication corner latest update na better why that mama e wo comment section obaso no chef for enya biahwe na open you mako metima aboa amwa say niska every USA any UK e dia ba Ghana and say any other African country bia so a make am for nala ena dia amount from promo code Penyah to be niska no be $20 amazing oko Google App Store any Apple App Store omo Apple eda hodom obetimi atwen out of phone so ehun hia se uri scan e koma agent bi e se ne kofie na fi na wo frefie busa aba omo se ma na yam hyehye da bi na da for se omo dwene ho nti no twe app no to our phone so register account na first to so na send the kofie na emuna no fan promo code Penyah TV na ombe chew $20 amazing. Let's go to the story. Ebusan fan ko check akra obeka ya 2008 Akufo-Addo ene Professor Mills ene ko pray akonya na ye be ko elections ni mu no Akufo-Addo the policy by our three say Ghana for to aban the manual oba or the idea of free SHS or the we about Ghana had them. And at that time na NZ phone almost says akwa we pa opa konya di arande sa free SHS Ghana free SHS ebeda ye enye ye eti Ghana for kra antiase me gatumasa kotena se untum fa we medada eti Ghana for antoa Akufo-Addo antoa ma no emetuma Prof Mills Prof Mills ebetena koyam so but 2012 no July mu ebewura August mu ana Prof Mills ewuye ene se de mahama etena akonya ne so ana that 2012 na say ato aba na say kwa about to mu no Akufo-Addo esa repeating the promise no the 2008 odeba yom to tia no say de no na saba say Ghana for me say moto aba ne de mamia me ba me di ade e fa ne free SHS ebe pa Ghana ha no mo Ghana for say masa Akufo-Addo krachi onye already say opa akonya ni bia de wani mere ye wani mere yenya nkoda na ade obedada wunim say ade awoka wuntimi ye but ubeka ni ade akonya na kwa akoma no obetoto apapa so yemfo akonya ne mount Ghana for ansa antiase ene say ade akonya ne ma mahama it's on tenants because the Akufo-Addo can dey yenyini ni do obetno man on tenant man so that but yentimi dey all kind of so in Ghana ye hwe Ghana sika semo a obeda beka so be free SHS yentiase ntini yemfa o man ne kura hye wonsa emede mahama ne na pamfo emu na mahama ede education system no oni share Professor Jantuah Ajimai that time on the man as education minister I was here and you must say ya to the point to say e go through 2015 no na teachers for kura nya chalk enchira de e wo school mu ema teachers for complain ya maami adwalai
box ba ko ne bo onye din o ya pa say chalk so u bi sa me ma wo chalk and ma wo chalk on na
education minister teachers for that time 2015 no market to ankasa kura yesai o market to na yesai ni abetete tax na ade afiri mu na abeka say na ono no kakra no won say nyi bi nko chalk. What happened to the ministry? Just na say education ministry no na aye jorobe strike that was in your school over between be week na teacher ni bi ansi classroom da ade go mo strike akatua mai omala wansi bi aka mu we and some pregnancy say we suffered and kasa teachers for bre wo Ghana ha strike upon strike ni mo ahodo e wo Ghana ha eti ho na Ghana for adwin say e be fio se da bi ene Akufo-Addo da man yi ni free teachers nsema okaka ye nkoso ne hwe e bia na oboboa e je kwato ni si na say Akufo-Addo ho be ya akono oni ni free SHS policy no na say ase enu na wura Ghana for trim enti NDC hu say da bi ya hwe ya Akufo-Addo e de no e ba be na kunya almost say o be attack free SHS no mahama be ka say hey Ghana for me catch them don't listen to any whimsical promise from a desperate politician
saying that Ghana must not introduce free SHS on the whimsical promise of a desperate politician. Many mistakes have been made by countries in Africa already with free SHS.
obi as na nia bere pa akonya na di mrade kasa wo pranze e wontimi nye mo man same way e na da mo mamuntie Mahama attack free SHS I say NDC no they came after the free SHS policy.
Rounding up, you did say that you don't think that Nana's proposal of free SHS education come next year and 10 years onwards is feasible. Why do you not think so?
Yeah, certainly it will not.
Why do you think so?
It will not be feasible because if you look at the cost of education in this country, in any country.
But let me hold. You got to Abana. Anna Ekufad Erene. Ekufad say you sworn in. That's a ya from 7th January no. Atwenya dia kora June still yantehe emu ana ndi baga say there be obetena kunya so 5-6 months in here o promise anka so be no ewe u free SHS no ewe yantehe nti no almost stage demonstrations against the government say Ekufo the free SHS no eye 419 and what you know, and this is how bony penny be pa. Emma, omuye adverts telling Ghanaians say Ekufo the government when Timi and free SHS no, just they hide people to do that.
Headmistress Matthew. Yeah, I mean, yeah. Please, senior high school now, we didn't be variable. If I try to pray, woman is fair. You need enough classrooms, you need enough dormitories, you need enough teachers, you need enough science resource centers. To me, part show. It's me,
Headmistress, but all kind of study I'm in TSU. Free senior high school, I have one with the road TV to radio see. And they said, you're okay, better than your man sweating up.
Ghana man, associated here, and Sana idea fata. Or my Ghana ever die SHS free. While Brian near my among women, Ed Timu.
I'm paying 40. The summer had a pin, I am in a queen. So, who need Valanda? A better than with me, I do. I feel wait here.
Wait till I go to Australia on my Ghana man. Now you're saying at Tumoko.
Lo and behold, you call Ra September, October, Muna, and Crown March BC 2017, Omukwa Statistical School. No. Emua Anna, a honorable prempe, I transfer friend Napo. Matopuku prempe. Na on education minister na pencil 2017 and then enkodaya na omu actually BC best at SHS for nyina no ye di free SHS SHS at that time papa mo boni mo aban no estarte ema kakra na challenges ewo mo but they still stood firm to their feet ema free SHS no yetimi e de siwo ama na team ne de siwo a team ye no afeye ko 24 elections ni mo no na NDC 4 crore ya omu 1 Mahama Katati I say onu cross o ska on fan ko ra free SHS ni mu or be ade foforo.
The government has budgeted 2 billion cedis for free SHS for this academic year. If you have 2 billion more to spend on education, will you spend all of it on free SHS so that even when people can afford to pay, they don't have to pay?
Oda ka se Ghana for me entie na ada ka se we ehweso ngoto aba na enye possible Ghana yentimye free SHS enye possible na African countries kwa no mo muska ka se kwa omu na nwene ho da enye Ghana na ebe enye possible na omu sa high nipa e ka se free SHS eye 419 enye bi bia eye ntro nya de sponsor advert as a sponsor demonstration against that no abiko we asia any for years ase Mahama ene di free SHS e baaye na se omu akofa video bi I'll be the kind of 13:30 mo hono say enipa kakra mi ade bot ya do botas in say baby di dwa ho ma bia say o e dey afaso he Mahama atwam wo di free SHS any the wo ade amwa sorry atia moya hu demonstrations e wo Ghana ha asaje hu adverts atia wo Ghana ha mo attack o ma ha akwa ka so ska won van ko ru asa de kodie ni mu ye wie ya mo se mo na ba ye na busa ye wa 2026 mu free SHS any is for no ka sai se si akra no hwemu a free SHS no ebo Ghana ka ka ene ba ye ka na ho ahwan na yenye sika kwa feeding kra no boa ye din ne bi kra proposal na no yen cancel no na obi antua fees ke say suggest bebrebe na ana aba e this communicator wa kwa be ka say free SHS no dey one of the most stupid and the most useless policy to ever happen in Ghana history. Na enso no o ka kan na na ja say masa munya abotre education minister modere baaye honorable Hannah Idrisu de ehia no e wo school mu say ye che pad man kora ye che pad e man kora ba school na kasa asem de school ni hia wo mu ye de Chinese any Arabic e be share curriculum and curriculum e no ne priority obi pens for the same school baaye e de TVET school baaye e be boy mu di natem free SHS no so a ebetima Ghana mamefo no e won ha wo mu so amokete tia de munya abotre na ja ta mu say open policy one of the best policy happen here in Ghana from 2017 to 2024 na free SHS we any someone Jantuah ebe kan
obi enim say me wonyoma bi wo ho a papa ne ye ya me kan ho asem but opa ko akire when it comes to education makan wo ha in fact say me compare education that of NDC ni MPP e wo soro in terms of investment in education, NDC. Still na no, Yebra Haruna Idrisu, ontimi mache, sa records na, Yebra Nana Akufo-Addo ho, Emma education. Inti free senior high school, ebaye, odikandi minya penyi napo, ebaye. Napo born ne modern pa to ensure say free senior high school no, yashasiye. Say deal, say any deal, yashasiye. Ko president by 2017, but the first year now no see there be free senior high school, was say yashasiye. Eno ye ni ye. Ye betimi aka say challenges wo ho, but be any one challenges any. But he was committed say free senior high school no, obeya mana yi. Oye yenso, eduru baby kra na nkra no, any baby omubeda. Eduru baby kra na see green, any blue. The most important thing was that despite our four kana green ni blue ni na se for to the bia omobe trefie 1 month na oma trefie 3 months no ma school 1 month ni na se for no ni nyina kekabo mu no at least abofra bi etimi ko school free under Nana Akufo-Addo. That was progressive thinking. O mind bia be ko nanim a education eno na Nana Akufo-Addo ye no. And then me guso bona baso was our education ho. Why ya dear ewo education adisua sika wodi shemu die din die mre ni nyina wo se nkra ni nko school. Enti na po free ho no e na yewra doctor yaw adutum ebae. Papa no so ba beto ade na po eye no so no. Osa de kon nani mo emi ehun se enwomesua be kon nanim yi a na se e wose ye movie from the bia de ye di baba ne baba die no ne ye de ekọ de abel from quantum pond de tie ebusia mame kan kire ene adusua asesa first no na ye ka adusua na obia na adwene se ontra classroom nko a ena asesa ene obetimi atena wo fie na wasua de nyina wie enyoma asesa enti NDC aban Yewra John Mahama Haruna Idrisu. I'm not sure crossing a nije baby or one ocean dimi na okay I'm not sure say na ebia or education and you see oshe gab na da ho na e was at least na was President John Mahama appointed somebody obetimi match Dr. Iwedutu
Osanko o maintaining no bia na make
so on maintain because you can ya dey no mumpene because ono a cabinet minister untimi ma wo MPP ni nko cabinet nti wompene but at least ma obia obetimi match Dr. Iwedutu because gab no dey ato ono esun and Oche Honorable Haruna Idrusua. Why be a communication minister pay? Why ye other ministers pay? Equally, I think says be a very safwa. Maninko baby or you're comfortable with
youth and one you now.
Maninya nepe obi ani mu do na my quick comments I was sad and say you're a Haruna Idrusu or you know whom or born home or India but honestly and because the honest truth they say about the same one nanado danko kufado isika any ahodo on this share education NDC are buying to me NDC are buying to me and that's a fact. Education in to say be away the car say be education no and you no ekute square finance and they said the agrek for physical finance at 4 since montomo boase no enti say the car no education minister and you no sika ne kuta no enti enche teachers for car and education minister asem finance so be release sika ama but we are talking about implementation policy me say asem mekwa asem akwa akutwa ochina mekwa akutwa acho asem ya ye nice term school ebebu asem asem kufo president kufo mu nyina ko ho asem school ni esi oyembie yempo echese esiwo ene ehwe ni din sa etimi de me mesre president John Mahama education ni de de Haruna Idrusu me hu anyway because Dr. Duchum nyoma nke to aso anka bia nke ekoyanim bebia wiase dru no science ni robotics ni AI ni nyoma na eyo obi broni no de container kakraka esi ship so enna meposo sa no de aba bedru yanso yesua ho ade de enti na ship ntimi emmem yesua ho ade anso ship kura yehu bi da odi ase Pythagoras theorem sin cos theta ne na sefo no eno na obi di aye phone ba ye ne edi ni baba Dr. ya wadi chumba no se sa baba die no emmo ayen practical hwe se obi frɛ ya no ka se ene madam se ye be kire the way si ya abenkwan no wa trotro abenkwan no ho nyoma na ne fa abenkwan no mankra ne usua se uyi aben no na ye ni say practical and learning by doing. Recently manya sa video na ye kire wo ayi Japan fui akra kotwa otutu engine na akra kotwa otutu engine o wa bro ho etu obenyini no onim de oye but aka ne de aye politics oh ni abese education we 2 years we 3 years we say now we say ni ase ska na egunwuram ni ababese syllables no na chese education de ntia ye kasa ni nyina ne say Ghana adesua ne sesa na ebe abebobo adesua ni bi ho akere ye beba so ama hu se sei adesua a yesua no de be pa wo pese wo school nya adwuma ya wo pese wo school na wo nya adwuma ya because enkofo se o enye school ni nyina ne se obesua de ayi obenya adwuma da bi mimi sesi abebia mi madui se me pese mi kosua bibia mi sua e de bie ma adwene mu. Sure. But because me were adwuma dada.
Oh, adwuma dada. Yeah, capacity building.
Me say me kosua sociology a. Me kosua na me de atini paase keke. Ebia me mfa nya hwie se me de kopa adwuma. Wow. But abofra na branch na obebuna wedi 20 years 19 na we university no. A wo pa adwuma no. O se enye school ni nyina na ye kwa. Ye de kopa adwuma. Na wo wie no betena fie no betena ne mame. Maybe I may be lines no. I will phone a better. Omu mebuna omutifio munya adwumanye.
Nana is so sad.
E mebuna omutifio munya adwuma. Ni e ko catch down near say there be you do say courses ni bi ho a e fe keke. But do be wie no oba betena fie.
Munya adwumanye.
E ya brotre dia e bia benya adwumanye. But a wunya adwumanye. Enti yenya nhihye se de be ya courses ni bi wo ho a
ye be
sakrem se de be ya nkrofo benya adwuma ye o se da bi enya school ne nko na okwa uwia umbue adwuma ma no onya nhihye bia ma no emeburu bebre mu nya adwuma be sure ubusa no crowd ebi banking and finance
obi accounting and then
obi onye adwuma and you think say enya discerning nyina so obepa adwuma na baburu no owi a oyɛ den
ode yɛ den adwuma nti no call school
na no na me ne panyi bi di nkomo ɛno so ne wofa asese opese ni sei ɛna me kyerɛ ni mu sɛ course no ɛyɛ pa na sei ni panyi ni ka kyerɛ me sɛ na ɛyɛ na wanya adwuma anya na ɛyɛ ne de ɛwɔ he and I agreed. I said the work no because you go school men can you go school now akra no be pay adwuma o I'm not sure say awofobia be bom ma ho ka HSS school fees ni hostel
so omomet
na fee first we university omomet na fee
pay adwuma nti na ye
minima awofobia obetimi ayesa enti say yewura ye adutwum and ye ba betie no exclusive aha na betimi ati we exclusive o wa brochire but then
obetuma chere wa adwene e dia mame e wo comment section ahi Penyah Block Media agra